I am playing around with my kind of impressionistic soap technique design again. So I have some frogs and lily pads and cattails, and I want to kind of create like a water lake scene and then a sky, which I'm not going to do normal colors because the water's blue, so I'm going to do the sky kind of in yellows. I think it'll work. The lily pad is yellow, so I think it will tie together. But yeah, I'm just gonna pour back and forth, and hopefully this turns out cute. I liked the swan. I have a little too much soap in this, so these first ones are gonna be a little challenging to pour. But yeah, anyways, I will speed this up, but I am excited to kind of see if this results in a similar result as the swan, because I really like that. So yeah, anyways, let me get to work and get pouring, and then stay tuned for the cut. Okay, all sorts of stuff did not go smoothly with this soap. So the fragrance, I used Watermelon Lemonade from Midwest Fragrance, which is supposed to have some very slight acceleration. Mine was fluid as fluid could be for the bottom part. I almost felt like it was too fluid, so I'm really kind of curious to cut this and see if there's any definition or if the colors merged together. Then, of course, when I went to go pour the second layer on top, it just wanted to break through because this layer wasn't setting up, but this was starting to get thicker. So I think there's not, I don't know, we'll see what the layer, if there's a distinction between the two layers or not. Then the yellows did not contrast as much as I was expecting them to. So I have no idea what to expect from this. The blues definitely were too little, I think a little too liquid. I feel like they merged together a bit. This reed moved up. There's just not really quite, I probably should have done colors that had a bit more contrast. I don't mind the yellow actually. There is, you can see, that's the white, which I added a tad bit of yellow to, so it has a yellow tint. Then there's that brighter yellow, and then that's that more muted yellow. So again, subtle, but it's not awful, all things considering. I kind of wish the reed, I had put them a little bit lower, the cattails, but I mean, I think it gives a little lake vibes. That's what I was going for. I wish like this loaf has 3 cattails. This one I only had 2. I just hadn't extruded enough. I kind of wish I had more. I think if I had bunched more together, it would give me a bit more of the effect I wanted. But it's a lot of work to make all of those. And as you can see, it's hard to get them attached, and they were shifting. I had attached them and one started to come apart, and you can see we didn't quite go back together perfectly. Not the end of the world. It's fine. I'm just a perfectionist. You can see that one definitely pushed down a bit. So all in all, I'm like, the water's not too bad. Like, there's a distinction between the layers, so I'll take it. So, not quite what I was going for with the kind of impressionistic watercolor-ish feel, but it's still there, and it's still cute. It was a lot of work to make this one. Let me know what you think.